is night at train station, an analog station clock, hands near midnight, empty platform, cold air, distant train rumble, fluorescent hum, footsteps far away. Some warnings don't sound like sirens, they sound like a clock and a heart that keeps delaying. Elias stands at the platform edge, backpack on breath visible, because when you keep saying tomorrow, you don't notice how close too late is. Echoes of heaven cinematic, the last train home. Elias holds a ticket, fingers tight. He looks at the tracks, then away. Phone screen glow unreadable, blurred. Notification, a missed call. Elias whisper, not tonight. Fear doesn't always say run. Sometimes fear says, wait. Train headlights approach. Elias steps back. Instead of forward, Jay appears calm, not judging. Jay said, you really came all the way here to not go? Elias forces a half smile, then drops it. Elias said, I thought I could, but my chest, it's like exhales. I don't know if I can face her. Jay said, face who? Elias said, Mama Rose, church people. God, me. Jay gently said, Bro, coming home isn't a performance. It's a decision. The enemy doesn't need you to deny God. He only needs you to delay him. Train pulls in. Doors open. Light spills onto the platform. Doors beep, soft announcement. No readable signage. Jay nods toward the door, said, this is it. Elias takes one step forward, then freezes. Elias, what if she's disappointed? Jay said, then she'll still be there. Elias hesitates 1 second. Too long. Doors close, train leaves. Winged empty platform. Elias' face breaks a little. Elias said, I missed it. We'd call it one more day, but sometimes it's one more door. Closing. Elias and Jay sit on a bench. Elias stares at the rails. Elias said, maybe that's the sign. Maybe I waited too long. Jay said, nah, that's not a sign. That's just what happens when you hesitate. Elias flinches. Jay said, listen, God is not standing there with crossed arms. He's calling you while you can still hear him. Elias said, I don't even know if I can pray anymore. Jay then said, don't start with perfect words. Start with honest ones. Jay say, God, I'm tired of running. Elias swallows. Elias quietly said, God, I'm tired. Grace gives second chances, but wisdom says, don't treat mercy like it's unlimited time. New train arrives. Jay said, come on, this is the last one. Elias stands, his legs shake, but he moves. Doors open. Elias stands, doors close behind him. That's what faith looks like sometimes. Not confidence. Movement. Elias by the window. City lights sliding past. He closes his eyes. Elias whisper, God, if you're still listening, I'm coming home. Jay sits nearby, respectful, giving space. Neighborhood street, quiet, warm, porch, light ahead. Elias stands at a gate front steps. He can't move. Door opens before he knocks. Mama Rose, gentle, emotional. Elias, you came. Elias breaks. Elias said, sorry I waited too long. Mama Rose said, you came. That's what matters. She pulls him into a hug. Mama Rose whispers, the door was never locked. Jay watches, smiling softly. If you feel the pull to come back, don't ignore it. Don't delay it, because the God who calls you is also the God who welcomes you. If you hear him come home,